Let's create a simple glass in Blender. First, delete the default cube. Press Shift plus A to add a UV sphere. Press Ctrl plus 2, add subdivision surface modifier. Press right click and shade smooth. Go to Material tab, add material, and first set pure white. Then set roughness 0.01. Then go to transmission option, set it to 1. Then go to World tab, press this little yellow dot, and then add environment texture. Then click on open. Find your HDRI folder and put a HDRI in your scene. I'm using this. After that, go to render property and scroll down to find film option and expand it. Click on transparent and transparent glass. Then hit render button and see the result. After that, if you create new object by pressing Shift A, and this time we add a cube, Z axis. You don't need to create new material for this. Just go on this option and press right click on it. See your material you applied, and there is your last texture. I think we delete this plane. It looks nice. Press Ctrl Alt 0 to add camera. To see the final render image, go to render option and render image. Wait for the rendering. This is my render output. What is yours? Please share with me on Instagram.